Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can set up and create a good YouTube account. So let's go. All you have to do be in a YouTube site, youtube.com, and click on a sign in. When you click on a sign in, you need your Gmail account. So what we are going to do, we are going to create one if we don't have for myself. First name, let's go. Let's create ourselves Stonelius Marcus. Create a Gmail account like that, and let's go. Let's create a password. Okay, nice. We are going to verify our number. Here we go, like that. And now you can set up a recovery email address, but we are not going to do that right now. Month, okay, August 21, 1996. Gender, male. Next. Okay, you can get more from your number. You can add your number, but I'm going to skip it because I don't want it. Okay. I agree to the Google Terms of Service. Okay, create account. Confirm. This is just ordinary privacy and terms. When we are here, as you can see, we can go again sign in. And voila, we are in. Click here on the icon on the right side and go to YouTube channel or your channel. Let's create our YouTube name, and you can create it what you want. You can create, I don't know, Gamer 101 or any other. Let's create a channel. And here we have it. Now what you can do, we are going to first start with the customizing our channel. So click customize. And first we will start with a channel description. This will be when people will come on your channel and they will see what your channel is about. And I will write it. My channel is about exploring new epic games on the market. Done. Now also we are going to set up our profile picture. So I just clicked here on the edit icon, edit. And here we go. I'm going to click on it, upload a photo. I don't know, I'm just going to add this ninja here. I get. Okay. And this can be done. Now when we have it, we will see it soon here. Yep, we can see it. Also, you can add your channel art if you want. And it needs to be 2560 to 440. The best, really good way how you can create your channel art is through site called Snappa.com or Canva.com. These are the two sites you can create completely for free your channel art. So I recommend go there and create. And we will move on with our tutorial. Okay, now also you can go to About. In About, you can see the description. You can add your business inquiries email. So I'm just going to add the email I added. You can add your location, where are you from? Let's go with Slovakia. Like that. And now you can add your links. Let's say that you have Instagram. And you would add your URL site here. Instagram.com Marcus Stonelius. Then you can add Twitter. You can add Twitch. Whatever you want. And click done. As you can see, it created ourselves that people can go to your About and click on Twitter, Instagram and Twitch, and they will be sent to the... See, it's really pretty easy. Now when we have it, we will go ourselves to the Creator Studio. So let's click. Got it. What you can do now, what I recommend, go to Studio Classic. We will get to this studio later, but go to Studio Classic now. Other. Okay, and now let's go with our channel. And status and features, you can click the button here, verify. Verify is meaning that you can upload videos which are 10 minutes and longer, and you can also put thumbnails on your video. So definitely verify your account. I already verified for other accounts with my number, so I can't. But you will just call me at automatic voice message, you would write your number and you would submit, and you would get verified immediately. You need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time to become monetized. So as you can see, monetization here, become a partner for monetization by displaying ads on your videos. You can enable it. You would add your AdSense account here, set monetization preferences, and then it will count you your 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. Let's go further. You have super chat, custom thumbnails can be enabled through verify, and it's really pretty easy, all of it. Upload defaults. Now this is really important. Upload defaults means that every video you will upload, you will have some default settings. I recommend to set up it on the beginning because it will save you time. So let's go with the category. Choose a category you are going to make your videos on: gaming, how to style, non-profits, people, box, pets, science, sports, travel. We are going to choose gaming now. And we are going to put also tags. Gamer 1-on-1. And if you play, I don't know, if you make videos about clothes, you can also write the basic tags like clothes, best clothes for summer, or best games to play. It's really cool. Video language, choose English, and community contributions, allow viewers to contribute, translate titles, description, and subtitles. Allow it. What I recommend is turn off these video statistics. Make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. Just choose not to. Now we are going with the save. And go with the branding. This is nothing. Advanced. Country again, Slovakia. And channel keywords. Let's set up ourselves channel keywords. Right there, gamer 1-on-1. Just what is your channel about? Or even you can write here your competition if you want. This is also possible if you know your competition in your field and you want to create YouTube videos. You can write there and it's really cool. Gamer 1-on-1, okay, save. And we don't have right now any analytics because we don't have any video at all. So if we have video, we can have analytics, and that's kind of it. You have dashboard here, you have a video manager here where you will see your videos. Also we got playlists, live streaming if you want to live stream. Then you have community. You will see here your comments. Then you will see automatically held for review, which YouTube sees not suitable for comments, and spam if someone is spamming a lot. And that's kind of it. So this is how you got it. This is how you do it. This is how you create your YouTube channel. Now you can start uploading videos, and also I will show you how it works. Let's upload a video. I don't know, I got some gameplay here. You need to choose the title, Arcero gameplay, must watch. You can set up description. in this video we will watch together. Archero gameplay. Hope you will enjoy it. And now you can add text. Archero gameplay. Must watch. Enjoy the video. I will publish it. We will wait a little bit for to be uploaded. And now we will go again to YouTube. I will click here it will add us again to YouTube Studio Beta. And we can see here in videos that it's processing, it's uploading. And when we get our views, you can go to analytics and you would see it here. So this is how it works. And this is how whole YouTube process works. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And yeah, thank you all. Goodbye.